As global citizens, now we are facing the challenges from climate change to climate emergency. But how can we urban people contribute ourselves to help this situation out? I think to protect urban forests is a very good beginning. Today, our team, What the Forest, is going to interview a very famous protester. So, let's go. Hello, Hui. Thank you for inviting me to this urban forest. It is very beautiful. How many trees are here?
80几棵
80 something. That's really a forest. And how old is the oldest tree here?
将近100岁咯
About 100 years old. And I know that you have very special strategy to help people understand how to protest for trees movement. So what is the strategy?
护树5字诀
5 steps to save the trees. So what are the 5 steps?
冲脱爆改送
冲脱爆盖送. So what's the first step?
冲赶快冲
Oh, running fast to the tree. So what's the second step after running to the tree?
拖走危险
I understand. The second step is to removing the danger away. Now we are going to learn the third step.
抱住以身护树
Okay, so we have to hug the tree and protect the tree by our body. Now we are moving on to the fourth step.
盖出愿景图
Building up a beautiful vision for everyone, such as food forest,
Yes
such as climate emergency.
Yes
After so much tensions in the previous 4 steps, now we can welcome the final step.
送走危机 Sing a song
Great! So we can celebrate our success by writing a song and tributing to the forest.
你讲的迄款自在，若亲像蝴蝶飞过花草，像那会自在。
We quite often think that social movement is full of conflicts, tension, or sacrifice. But today's interview shows us that you could enjoy, you could connect to different people, and you could also succeed in the social movement you devote yourself to. So, in the end, we would like to invite you to listen to the song that we write for this forest, and we hope you like it.
为着这款的亲香，为着这款的温暖，咱着爱行动思考，关爱像那的囡仔。为着这款的自在，为着这款的期待，咱着爱行动思考，关爱200年的树仔。咱着爱行动思考，关爱像那的囡仔。